What is fear? I mean, really, what is it? I don't think it's something that is concrete, but people always say that they tasted fear, so I guess it must be real. I know fear is real. But is it big, like in the movies, you know, the ones where they never turn on the light? When they go into a room and you just know they're going to get their head ripped off or a knife plunged into them, lots of blood and gore and screams. I know fear is real. People say that they have felt fear, you know, like when they were about to try parachuting for the first time, or when they might have been robbed or mugged, or when their kid almost got run down by a car, so I guess it must be real. I know fear is real. Most times fear isn't big. Most times it's lots of little things that seem to add up to something. My life is repetitive all the time. I go to the bin or the back door of cafes to search or ask for food. I sleep in a park at night with barely a blanket. It gets cold, wet and damp and hot, but I live with it. I'm fearful that my life will be like this. No money, no shelter, no shelter. I can't remember the last time I had a proper roof to live under. Get out of my way, you smelly old bag. God, what some people do to themselves. Feet. Hands. Sitting on the sidewalk, just sitting on the sidewalk. As I watch people walk on by, people's feet tapping on the sound of the pavement. My neck hurts from craning too much, looking that way and then the next way. The days go on so slowly, the nights are even worse. The months, even the years, I think I may have lost count. Birds on the street are dirty. I've counted too many birds. I've lost count. I just watch the birds all day, picking at litter. Pigeons are birds. Feed the pigeons. Bins. Where is the food? Feed the homeless. Bags. I look like a bag lady. Oh God! I am a bag lady. When did this happen? This is my worst fear. I've been waiting for the tram with my bags, just waiting outside of the tram stop. So I asked the guy to spare me $1. Notice how I say spare, not borrow. Terminology is important. Borrow means it's... Fear doesn't have to be big. It's lots of little things. Like being rejected, like missing a meal, like having no home, like having no one, like having only fear as your only companion.